Hey, what's up, y'all? Sunday, here at the shop. Had to take care of some things. You know, you can't really dictate. You know, they talk about entrepreneurship. You got to be willing to work 80 hours, so you don't have to work 48 hours for somebody else. I just wanted to run through real quick while I'm here at the shop. It's kind of quiet. It's kind of alone. I just wanted to run through my rig real quick. One of the rigs we got, F250 2012. This one's not little, the XLT or something or another. But it's, you know, bigger than what I generally would like, I guess, as far as height. Anyway, F250 basic, pretty known, they're pretty basic, but just want to go over, you know, the setup. We got a skid here. We built the skid. There were some, we'll probably do some things better with it. Any suggestions, put them in the comments. We got it in here, and you know, it's pretty much where we're at with it right now. It's functional. It rides. We got an old, got this from my stepfather, old Bobcat 225. It's owning engine. It burns, man. It burns. So yeah, we got that. Got it set up here. Fire extinguisher. Got the reels, chisholm reels here. Pretty good. A little higher than what I'd like. Again, it's not the perfect setup. It's not real compact, but again, it's functional. Toolbox. What do you keep in your toolbox? Let's look in there and see. Miscellaneous stuff. You got a Luma reel. They're out of Elgin. Texas. Basic settling setup. Big toolbox. Nothing really to it, you know, nothing over exciting about it. Just, you know, hey, it's a setup, KBG Welding, you know, it's, it gets us there, gets the job done. Got 4-wheel drive in case we need that. Again, if you got any suggestions, please put them in the comments. I plan on taking this out and rebooting it or doing something with it, but other than that, Miller guy by default, I guess. Not gonna get any fist fights over Miller or Lincoln, but yeah, I just want to run through the rig real quick, and again, like I say, it's pretty much there's not much to it. We're at the point to where with this, we either share tools with the shop, put them on here and roll if need be, but got everything from our leads to grinders, clamps, and whatnot. I just wanted to run through that one. We got another one out here. Here's our trailer rig. Got two machines, Trailblazer 275. Got the Bobcat 250 there. This is usually the one that pulls this F250, same year. Still hot out here. Yeah, it's got some wear and tear. We've got some issues. Got to have some reels though, man. I don't know about you, but if you're just starting out, man, get you some reels. I don't care what kind of reels you get them, because after you have to take them on and off the truck, especially if you're working by yourself, if you have to take them on and off your truck, I'll give you 2 times and you're going to be wishing you had some reels. These are pretty bulky, but they came with the trailer when I bought it. It was a different trailer, and but they roll up, man. You don't have to tote them and pull them and haul them and do all that mess. So yeah, that's what we got here. A couple of machines, more tools. What we got? Oh yeah, we got all kind of goodies in there. We'll go through the tools that we keep on there another time. I just wanted to run through that. KBG Welding, y'all, just gives you something to look at over the weekend. Get ready for the fresh start, new day, new week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for the comments. Put some comments on there, man. Any setups for trailers, any setups for trucks, man, let us know, because I'm open for suggestions. So please share. Thanks. KBG Welding. We're here in Hutto, Texas. Serving God and burning rod.